Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y to the power of 5 dx. So we have 1 over y to the power of 4 dy over y to the power of 5 dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to negative 1 over y to the power of 4. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have positive number 4 over y to the power of 5. Because if we do first derivative of this one, we have negative number 4 over y to the power of 5. Because we have another negative in here, that's why you got about positive in here. And we have dy over dx. Because we don't have number 4 in here, so we put number 4 go to the left. So this one we change by this one. This one we change by v. Next, we simplify number 2. So we divide both sides by s. Later that, we multiply both sides by number 2. Next, we have v and first derivative of v. So we can use about integrating factor. So I will put about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of 2 over s. This is about integrating factor. And we have e to the power of 2 ln s. So number 2 we go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have s squared. That means we multiply both sides by s squared. So we simplify and we have 2vs. This one we have s to the power of 5. Later that, we put the integration for the both sides. So the next one, we need to apply about product rule of derivative. So we know that first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b, number 2 and s. That is about first derivative of s squared multiplied by a. So if we do this integration, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of this one, we have vs squared. The integration of this one, we have s to the power of 6 over 6. And then I will put about c. Now we need to simplify this one. And we have negative number 8 over 3 s to the power of 6. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.